So someone asked me, Phoenix, do you work for the union? No, I don't work for the union. I don't believe in the union. I believe the union isn't for a black person, in my personal opinion. Do I work for a company? No, I don't. I don't believe in working for the man. I believe in working with the man. There's a big difference when I say that. So, no, I don't punch no clock and work a job. I'm independent. I work for me. But I do believe in networking with other companies. But a job, in my personal opinion, is kind of like a diaper. You know, when you're old enough and you can't wipe your own butt, you get a job. They tell you what to do and protect you. Make sure you don't make no spills on yourself. You know, that's what the job do. But it's going to control the controlling interest. It's going to take the diaper off and put it on. Sometimes it might leave it on there a little longer than what it need to be. To me, that's what a job is. But when you're independent, that means you're going in there and wipe your own butt. You're going to go pee when you want to. You're going to go use the bathroom when you want to. When you want to stay clean, you're going to stay clean. That's a big difference on being independent. That's why I work for me.